They say she needs to slow down. The baddest thing around town. Let me see
Brother TK here, Terrance Kareem. We just got through squatting today. And how you feel about today, man?
Today's pretty good, man. I didn't feel full strength, but them fall squats felt good, man. They feel real good. How you feel with you?
And like I said, we don't even feel good. I got like a sinus infection going on, but rain, sleet, or snow, sick or healthy, you gotta come in. You can only work out on the days you feel good.
You gotta train, man. You gotta train.
And them squats, man, they was brutal, but you know, it felt good. It was well worth it. Just a lot of more core work, a lot of more form work, and building up for this meet in a few months.
Yep. USAPL meet June. Look out for that. We're gonna be trying to up our numbers some. Keep trying to get stronger every time we train. Every meet we go to, it's gonna keep getting better. So stay tuned and keep subbing.
Yeah, and also, man, next few weeks is probably gonna be more of the same. We're gonna just keep increasing the weight slightly. Then probably about 10, 12 weeks prior to the meet, then we'll get back to business with the big weights, and our body should be nice and recuperated by then, and start putting up the numbers again. Looking for some serious numbers that meet.
Yeah, man. Like to train it hardcore. You ain't to win it, so you know what I'm saying? Keep going strong.
And thanks for all the new subscribers we've seen lately, and thanks for keeping up with us, and let's all stay motivated.
Yeah, man. I want to appreciate all the love for the meet video. Oh man, that I was impressed by that. Thank you for all the comments and for everything everybody said and all the likes, and I appreciate that.
And remember, subscribe.
Don't forget to follow us on the gram, follow us on Facebook, and find us on Google+. And don't forget that Twitter. All right? Thanks for the love.